Right. This is the issue I'm having with my vehicle. Just got in. Alright. It's not starting when I press the power button. It just clicks. So I turn off and on the auto start. Let's see if it works this time. Turn off the air conditioner just to there's nothing else here. Try that. It just clicks and turns off. Damn it. So we don't know what's going on. So I'm going to open the door. And try again. Everything's running. Everything's looking good. So let's try it again. And again, it's not working. So I don't know what to do. Normally, I can press this thing and it works. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm going back in the crib. And I'll be back. Let's see if it works.